In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add questions on Calendly in our full 2025 guide. Whether you're organizing meetings, scheduling interviews, or just managing your time more effectively, knowing how to customize your Calendly events with specific questions can greatly enhance your productivity. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to visit Calendly at their official website, which is https://calendly.com, and log in with your credentials. If you're not already signed in, simply enter your email and password to access your dashboard. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll see a list of your event types. Find the specific event you wish to update. For instance, it could be a team meeting or a client appointment. Click on the event and this will take you to its details. Now look at the bottom right corner of your screen to find the More Options button. Clicking on this will reveal several settings you can adjust for your event. You want to navigate to the section labeled Invitee Form, which is crucial for customizing the questions you'll be adding. On the Invitee Form page, scroll down until you see the Add New Question option. Go ahead and click this. You'll notice several types of questions you can choose from, each serving a different purpose based on the responses you're looking to collect. For short answers, the one-line option is ideal. This is perfect if you need brief inputs like a name or a yes or no type of response. If you need more detailed answers, consider selecting multiple lines, which provides ample space for invitees to elaborate. If you're looking for a single choice response, go for the radio buttons option. This is similar to a survey, where users select one choice among several options. For scenarios where multiple selections are possible, the checkboxes are your best bet, allowing invitees to tick more than one item. Lastly, the drop-down list provides a neat, compact way for users to select one item from a range of predefined options. If a question is crucial and you need the invitee's response for it to be valid, toggle the required switch next to that question. This ensures that invitees must answer this question before they can finalize their booking. Finally, once you've configured your questions to your liking, be sure to click Save to secure all the changes you've made. This step is vital as it ensures that your invitee form captures all the information you need moving forward. Congrats! You've now successfully added questions to your Calendly event, making it more tailored to your specific needs. Remember, customizing these questions is an excellent way to gather information in advance, making your meetings more productive and aligned. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more insightful tips on maximizing your digital tools.